She's one of my favorite guests and favorite friends on this earth. Please welcome Mystica! Dito ka na, dito ka na. Oh, mystic ka ng buhay ko.
You're just so hilarious. I can't believe it.
Tuwang-tuwa kami sa'yo. Pagkat ikaw ay kumanta. Lalo na kung nag-split ka pa.
To the macho dancing.
Mag-macho dancing nga tayo. Mystica Preto. See? That's how inspired I get when you're around.
God. You know what? Speaking of macho dancing, on my birthday, December 18, my boyfriend Jet Curry, you know what was
Si
his
Jet,
gift?
si Jet,
Two macho dancers. They gave me a surprise party after my show from Pampanga.
Really? Talaga? Wow, that's the best birthday gift. Two
Yeah,
macho dancers.
Yeah, that's true. Dancing only.
Dancing
okay?
only? Yeah,
Dancing
wala mo
only.
naman dancing
Alright,
only.
please don't get me wrong.
Oh, but when you acronize dancing only, that's D-O, do. She, it's a do with the dancing.
Oh, yeah, you're right.
Anyway, the two dance.
Yeah,
December
that's true.
18 was your
December
birthday.
18 was my
Sayang, no?
birthday.
We were supposed to
Yeah.
get together that after.
I know.
No, but you had a
was so-
birthday concert
Yeah, I know. I was actually, I can't believe I was actually working.
on your birthday.
You know, on my birthday.
Uh-huh,
You know, used to be when I had my birthday, I always had this very big, celebration all the time with lots of press, lots of people.
Right.
But this time, I was working. I really had to.
Really happy.
Yes. of
Why?
course.
What did you do? You have all the
Yeah,
money in the
because,
world.
Of course, because I'm already a granny.
Oo nga, no?
Responsibility first, remember?
Hindi, pero of
Yeah.
course, your responsibility is to your kid as your
I know,
kid
but
has
I just
responsibility to his kid.
I know, but I just can't say no.
Ah, talaga?
You know, because opportunities comes, like once in a lifetime, those things like that, I can just say no.
You know, you're the only granny that I wouldn't mind taking out.
Oh my God,
Di ba?
really?
Right, yung mga tipo bang,
Oh my
lalabas ka ba,
God.
Jo? Oh, lalabas ko yung lola ko.
Well, how about
Pero, ikaw kung ikaw ang lola.
Valentine's Eve?
Valentine's Eve, ha? Promise yan, ha? Ay, Eve kasi
Why not?
Valentine's Day. Si Jet kasama mo.
Well,
I love you.
you can be together. I can't believe I'm having this. My God. The best time of my life. I've had Jojo A.
Wow.
Having dance for me like a macho dancer.
Aba. Alam mo kaya hindi nag-prosper yung aking movie career kasi binibigyan ako ng puro bold.
Oh, really?
Oh, hindi talaga.
Well, I guess now this is the right time.
Yeah,
Remember?
pero
Year
every time I go bold,
2005.
it comes out comedy.
Oh, that's
hindi ko alam.
better. A bold actor and a comedian at the same time.
Really?
Oh my God.
Wow. Pwede, no? Pwede. You should be my manager.
Oh, no!
Germany, di ba?
No, speaking of manager, by the way, my manager, Tita Vera Esperto, really wants to say hi to you. And the president of Capricorn Records, Cesar Villa.
Cesar Villa and...
They're actually watching right
Hey!
now.
Ate Vera! Tia Vera
Yes.
Esperto, VI. Oh, magkasama kayo ever since that, si Channel 7 pa.
Talaga?
Oh, she's your manager.
Oh,
She's a
yes,
very good
yes,
friend of
yes.
mine. Very good friend of mine.
Yes, yes.
Anyway, we'll be right back. A few reminders. Please don't go away. Still with Mystica because there's so much we're going to talk about. Different side of Mystica and all other things when we come back here in Jojo A. All the way. Stay with us. Angkan Band, friends. Angkan.
All the way with Jojo A. We'll be right back.
way, I'm still with Mystica, mystifying Mystica. Mystica, okay. Hindi kasi may nag-text sa akin dito, mga
Ano?
pahabol daw. Hindi raw sila maka-get through dun sa lines, but they don't believe in feng shui. Do you believe in feng shui? Yung mga huhula?
Ay, yung mga huhula ganun. Sometimes,
Sometimes.
I do believe. Pero sometimes, I believe na nanguhula lang sila.
Well said. Sometimes you believe na nanghuhula
Kaya
din
kasi
sila.
sinasabing manghuhula eh.
Tama,
diba?
nanghuhula
Because
sila.
sometimes, nahuhulahan na tama, sometimes
Oo
na.
nga. Right,
Hula
right,
lang
right.
yun eh.
Yeah. Kaya
Pero
dapat,
nasa tao na rin yun.
nasa tao na
Nasa
rin yun.
tao na. Di ba? Ang kapalaran natin, tayo ang gumagawa.
Correct. Correct. Ako, hulaan ko yung magiging future mo sa 2005.
Okay, what's gonna
Kasi
be?
I really see
Please.
a bright future sa'yo.
Really?
A very big future.
Oh, I
You have a
hope
very
so.
big future.
Oh my God,
Ang
I
hinaharap
hope
mo
so.
itong taon na to, at lagi sa mga taon na darating, napakalaki nung yung hinaharap.
Pero,
Napakaganda pa.
oo nga eh, pero marami rin sasabog na mga intrigas. Of
Sasabog na
course, you
intriga.
can't get away from that.
That's true. You know what? A friend of mine,
Yes.
also a friend of yours, si May Rivera says hi to you.
Well, say hi to her as well. Happy New Year, darling. Happy New Year, sister.
Have you resolved already? Di ba sabi nila
Well,
bago daw...
we were supposed to, to have everything resolved at a certain talk show, morning talk show channel something. But then we just didn't work.
It didn't
I was
work.
ready. I was saying, hey, if I said to you that ikaw ay isang ahas, well, I'm sorry because that's just what I felt. But then, of course, it takes two
To tango.
It takes two to tango, di ba?
Right,
So of
okay.
course, I felt something, and so I thought that I really deserved something like an apology.
An apology,
as well.
right,
But
right.
she just didn't want to
She just...
say any apology at all. So,
Wala as in
okay
no
lang.
nil.
Yeah, that's true.
What if all of a sudden si May Rivera calls us and says
Yeah.
right now that she's willing to make amends with you.
Oh, fine. That's good. I could say, hey, Happy New Year, sister. Let's get together.
Happy New Year, sister. Let's get
Let's
together.
get together again.
Let's
Come
get together.
on. Let's go to gay bars.
Bakit gay
No.
bars?
Speak of gay bar, a while ago, just this afternoon,
Okay.
There was a blind item.
Uh-huh.
A certain channel as well. Pero it wasn't right for them saying na they saw me at the gay bar, tapos nag-eskandalo daw ako.
Nag-eskandalo ka sa isang gay bar?
And the
Oh.
scandalo was saying that I was kissing two macho dancers at the same time, and then after
Pero this
that,
was not your birthday.
No, that wasn't my birthday. And then,
Macho dancers.
that wasn't even enough. We went to the VIP room and did some, alam mo na kung ano, di ba? All I'm saying right now is, well, you know me, if something I did, I always say, yes, I did. But,
Wala.
Wala
talaga. Sa dalawang
it was
macho
just
dancer, wala.
That's not really
Na-
true.
you-
I wish though.
Well, let me just...
Maybe I can say that's one of my, fantasy, but of course not.
It's one of your fantasy.
But it will remain as a fantasy alone,
it
fantasy is
remains
just
a
a fantasy,
fantasy,
right? But it's
right.
not, me going there.
So it means it's no longer a blind item because...
No, it was a blind item.
Pero
because
they were
saying
referring
that
to you, of
somebody,
course.
a very scandalous singer, controversial, very controversial, and she hates to cut her nails. So only me got these nails. the
Ganun.
sharper nails,
Okay.
right?
Okay,
So
they were
obviously it
referring
was
to you.
me.
So it's not true.
Yeah, it's not true. So all I did
So
is
it's not true
I
that
called
you
them
went to
out
the
right
VIP
away.
room?
No, that's not true. So I called them up right away. I said, well, you cannot just, you cannot just do that, without even having those evidence or whatever
Right,
before
right,
you
right,
put, that blind item
Right.
on TV.
Wag niyo that, she
It's
was
not
na-
right,
alright,
because
it's
it's not fair. It's not really fair, right?
It's not fair. It's not right. She was
not
never
right.
in the VIP room. She was in the VIP
Yeah.
lounge.
Yeah, I would rather get those, in my room.
In the room.
Rather than doing it in public. Hey, I'm not stupid doing that, di ba?
It's always, yun ang mga gusto kong mga kwentuhan. Alam mo, it's always it's a
Diba?
pleasurable experience
You
talking
know
to you.
me.
Yeah,
You
kaya
know.
nga, hindi katulad ng iba, medyo pakit pa sila,
Pakit sila.
mga sila, but you
Yeah.
you're cute
Yeah.
because you say the truth.
And
It's always nicer to
I'm
say
very
the truth.
open-minded.